Good morning, good morning. Morning, teeny boppers. Teeny boppers, would you like to take me on an aeroplane today? Oh, I'd love a holiday, teeny boppers. Can you remember how to fly an aeroplane? Yes, teeny boppers. Arms out to the side. And let's fly our aeroplanes. Oh, this is going to be an amazing holiday, teeny boppers. Shall we try? I'm a little aeroplane on the ground, spin my propeller round and round. When I get all revved up, see me fly off the runway to the sky. Woo! Teeny boppers, that was an absolutely amazing holiday. Shall we try again? I'm a little aeroplane on the ground, spin my propeller round and round. When I get all revved up, see me fly off the runway to the sky. Woo! Teeny boppers, that was an absolutely amazing holiday. Oh, teeny boppers, that was absolutely amazing. Well done. I loved my aeroplane ride, teeny boppers. Thank you for taking me on holiday today. It was just what I needed. Teeny boppers, would you like to go on a rocket with me? Oh yes, how exciting. Teeny boppers, put your hands together and come down to the ground with me. Are you ready to count? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off! I'm a little rocket, tall and thin. Here's my nose cone, here's my fin. When I get all revved up, see me zoom off the runway to the moon. Woo! Teeny boppers, that was absolutely wonderful. I loved being a rocket with you today. Oh, that was amazing today, teeny boppers. You flew me on an aeroplane. You took me on a rocket ride. Oh, it was absolutely magical. Well done, teeny boppers. Snoopy and I, we will see you tomorrow.